Bucharest's history alternated periods of development and decline from the early settlements in antiquity until its consolidation as the national capital of Romania late in the 19th century. First mentioned as the citadel of Bucharesti in 1459, it became the residence of the ruler of Wallachia, Voivode Vlad the Impaler. The old princely court, Curtea Veche, was erected by Mircea Ceabanul in the mid-16th century. Under subsequent rulers, Bucharest was established as the summer residence of the royal court. During the years to come, it competed with Târgoviște on the status of capital city after an increase in the importance of southern Muntenia brought about by demands of the suzerain power, the Ottoman Empire. Bucharest finally became the permanent location of the Wallachian court after 1698, starting with the reign of Constantin Brâncoveanu. The city was partly destroyed by natural disasters and rebuilt several times in the following 200 years.
In 1813–14, the city was hit by the Karacaoz plague. The city was wrested from Ottoman influence and occupied at several intervals by the Habsburg monarchy, 1716, 1737, 1789, and Imperial Russia, 3 times between 1768 and 1806. It was placed under Russian administration between 1828 and the Crimean War, with an interlude during the Bucharest-centered 1848 Wallachian Revolution. Later, an Austrian garrison took possession after the Russian departure, remaining in the city until March 1857. On 23 March 1847, a fire consumed about 2,000 buildings, destroying a third of the city.
The Romanian Revolution of 1989 began with massive anti-Ceausescu protests in Timișoara in December 1989 and continued in Bucharest, leading to the overthrow of the communist regime. Dissatisfied with the post-revolutionary leadership of the National Salvation Front, some student leagues and opposition groups organized anti-communist rallies in early 1990, which caused the political change.
The medieval Bran Castle is a popular tourist destination, partly because it has been promoted by the Romanian tourism industry as having been the home of Dracula in Bram Stoker's novel of the same name. 4. The castle has been listed as one of the 7 wonders of Romania. The Teutonic Order began building a wooden fort called Dietrichstein here early in the 13th century. After the fort's destruction in 1242 by Mongols, Tatars, King Sigismund of Hungary ordered a stone castle to be built in 1377, while the settlement of Bran began to develop nearby. Positioned high atop a steep cliff, the castle guarded a strategic trade route between Transylvania and Wallachia. In 1498, Bran came under the jurisdiction of Brasov.
Generate by AI.
Books describing Vlad's cruel acts were among the first bestsellers in the German-speaking territories. In Russia, popular stories suggested that Vlad was able to strengthen his central government only by applying brutal punishments, and many 19th-century Romanian historians adopted a similar view. Vlad's patronymic inspired the name of Bram Stoker's literary vampire, Count Dracula.
Generate by AI.
Vlad was the second legitimate son of Vlad II Dracul, who was himself an illegitimate son of Mircea I of Wallachia. Vlad II had won the moniker Dracul for his membership in the Order of the Dragon, a militant fraternity founded by Sigismund of Luxembourg, King of Hungary. The Order of the Dragon was dedicated to halting the Ottoman advance into Europe. Since he was old enough to be a candidate for the throne of Wallachia in 1448, Vlad was probably born between 1428 and 1431. Vlad was most probably born after his father settled in Transylvania in 1429. Historian Radu Florescu writes that Vlad was born in the Transylvanian Saxon town of Sighisva, Kingdom of Hungary, now Sighisoara, Romania, where his father lived in a three-story stone house from 1431 to 1435. Modern historians identify Vlad's mother either as a daughter or kinswoman of Alexander I of Moldavia, 12, 15, 16, or as his father's unknown first wife.
Generate by AI.